Hello guys, snow removal. One of the easiest attachments for the snow removal is snow blade. We have the heavy duty snow blade here with the Bobcat track loader and the X-pattern snow tracks. Today I will show you how to properly work with the attachment and the machine and how to be efficient. Of course, on the end you get my tip. So we have the heavy duty snow blade here. It's a nice feature with the oscillation to follow the terrain all the time. Another beautiful feature is the flip blade. It will automatically flip back if you hit some obstacle under the snow. It will protect your machine and the attachment. So for the controls it's super easy. You just have to activate the auxiliary hydraulic and then by your right finger you can orientate it to the left or to the right. Then put the attachment on the wear pads and with the good speed you push. You can also push the slopes a little bit. So my tip for the heavy duty blade would be to adjust these wear pads. These pads must be always in the touch with the surface and by avoiding damaging the surface by the blade or damaging the blade itself. For the hard surfaces like beton or asphalt, it's good to lift them up a little bit to have the blade closer to the surface, but for the off-road, keep some gap between the blade and surface to avoid the damaging the attachment.